So you got a game of IceSlider. Let's talk about how to play it. Find a playing space like a table. The bigger the area results in longer games. Depending on how many players will vary how you split the playing space. 2 or 4 easy enough, just divide it into sections. With 3, unless you have a round table, you will need to give a larger space to one person. Choose your color and model. Warning, the seals are slightly harder, so I do recommend giving that to the better player. But now it's time to arrange your pieces. The layout really doesn't matter, though you may find some strategies work better than others. Like this, I would say is more than likely a bad strategy, whereas this one's slightly better. Once things are set up, choose who starts.
You go.
Fine, I'll go. And it's go time. Try and flick your pieces into your opponents. Ooh, without taking yourself out with it though. Which is actually harder than you might think. What the heck? Do this by trying lighter and more precise flicks, which as a bonus won't sting your finger as much. Keep rotating players until only one person remains. The winner.
Oh.
Okay, nice. Now a couple clarifications. If any piece is knocked on its side, it stays like that. Another one is regardless of whether your flick hit your opponent or if it went off the table. It's gone. It's not coming back. It's gone, gone, gone. Any hit, even an accidental small mini tap, goes to the next player. Now that's the official way to play, but I definitely recommend playing around with the rules and making additions. Say knocking 2 opponents' pieces off in one go results in a revived piece for you. Or say removing the starting boundaries and making the start very chaotic. Or another one, giving small pieces a power-up, say 2 flicks. If you come up with some other fun ones, definitely let me know. Well, thanks for getting the game, and have fun sliding. Bye! Wah!